part of the reason that I've begun talking about 2 + 2 = 4 is to try to get people to slow down and be honest about life. Okay? You know, the fact is, there is no free health insurance. If you work for an employer and the employer provides health insurance, guess who paid for it? You did. Yep. Because they don't give you health. I mean, that's part of what you earn by being an employee. If the government runs a health insurance program, the government doesn't pay anything, you do. I mean, if they don't get the money from the taxpayers, they're going to borrow it from your generation in debt. You're then going to pay interest on the debt the rest of your life. But one way or the other, it's paid for. So this idea that somehow there's this free thing out here is fundamentally wrong. People who are engaged, we very strongly believe in incentivized health plans and in health savings accounts and in things that give people an interest in their own health, because we've learned, working with a number of different companies, that if you get people engaged in their own health and they think they have a vested interest, they take better care of themselves, they are less likely to get sick, they are better shoppers, and I think the result is that I think this is going to be a fundamental discussion about the nature of life, with one side saying, we'll take care of you and it won't cost you anything. And then the other side saying, no, in the real world, you know, you have to be involved in your own life, and you have to be involved in studying, and you have to be involved in getting a job, and you have to be involved in your own health. And that's going to be a real argument about what kind of a country we're going to be. Because a country in which you rely on somebody else to give you everything is a country in which you just gave power over your life to somebody else. Because once they can give you everything, they can also take everything away. And a country where you are self-reliant and you are capable of having a work ethic and you're capable of learning and you're capable of controlling your own money is a country where you have dramatically more freedom. And I think that's going to be one of the most important debates of the next 10 years.